The iPhone 14 series is officially finally, so first story of the day, and I'm sure most of you are already aware that Apple have officially sent out their launch event invite. And it confirms that Mark Gurman was correct, and the launch event is September the 7th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. This event looks like it's gonna focus on the new iPhone 14 models, and expectations are as follows: a 6.1-inch iPhone 14 Pro, 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro Max, a 6.1-inch iPhone 14 and a 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Max, which is basically the base version with a bigger display. It looks like there won't be a 5.4-inch iPhone mini this year, with Apple instead of opting the larger devices. Now when it comes to the iPhone 14, we also have a new tweet from Ross Young, and he advises that the iPhone 14 Pro Max is going to have the highest volume of shipments, and actually the new iPhone 14 Max that's going to be the lowest. Apple is rumored to ditch the notch in the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max in favor of a pill-shaped cutout and a spot for the selfie cam and U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. The patent application covers several possible variants of a device that combines a camera and infrared light emitter, and a light folding element that can redirect the IR light. Base 14 version aren't really getting any expected improvement. They still have the previous A15 chip, but you can count on new cameras and updated ultra-wide lens, faster 5G, and Wi-Fi 6E. Rumors advise that between July and September 28% of the panel shipped are going to be for the 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro Max, 26% are going to be for the 14 Pro, and only 19% of the panel shipments are going to be new iPhone 14 Max. A little more about the cameras, though: the device's sensor is said to be 1/1.3 inches width, which is a 21.2% increase over the 1/1.65-inch sensor width of the wide camera of the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. This increased sensor size required a larger lens to capture more light, leading to larger rear camera array. Ice Universe posted an image of what they described as an iPhone 14 Pro dummy. Note that the pill in this photo appears to have a slightly different design than the images, as there are two clear holes in the middle of pill. We're finally going to be able to see 8K video on the new iPhone 14 Pros. The devices are also expected to feature the A16 chip and always-on display, a 48-megapixel wide camera, and more. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.